Hello class, welcome to our new unit. We're pulling out all the stops today. We have friends to help us. We have the unicorn. We have Barbie. I've got my pocket protector. We're ready to go. This is our last unit of the year, last week of the year before we kick off the final week. Are you ready to learn? Today is so important that I've dressed up in my best so that we can learn our best. We're learning about financing and banking. Max knows that banking, financing, and your budget is important, so he's so pumped up. He's here to join us too. Today is mostly terms, so let's get started. Our first term is budget, followed by deposit, withdrawal, expenditure, fee, overdraft, balance, and afford. We're going to discuss these terms, talk about their definitions, and if they have a math operation that goes with it, we will label it on the side. Budget. A budget is a blank for how you spend and save money. That word is plan. There is not an operation for that. Deposit. When you're thinking about bank accounts, what's a deposit? That's the money that you add into the account. Add. Next one, withdrawal. Withdrawal is taking blank a bank account. Withdrawal is taking money out of a bank account. So that math operation is going to be subtraction. Expenditure is the amount of money blank. Amount of money that you spend. Again, spending is subtraction. Fees, it's a charge or expense that you pay for a purchase or a service. Again, if we pay it, it's subtraction. If we put it in, it's addition. Overdraft. Overdraft is withdrawing blank money than an account has. That's more money than an account has. And a lot of times overdraft means that there's a fee. Balance is the blank amount of money after calculating deposits, fees, withdrawals in your account. Well, balance is not an operation, but there is a symbol that goes with it. Balance means equals because it's the total amount of money, the equal amount of money. Afford, what does afford mean? Having blank money to pay. That's enough money. Afford isn't a positive or a negative, it just means that you have enough money. Moving forward to the second page, we're going to look at some examples, applying these vocabulary words and doing barely a little bit of math.
Let's look at our first example. A blank is the amount of money placed into a savings or a checking account. When we added money to the account, we made a deposit. Again, that was addition.
Next, on January 8th, your account was charged $30 for an overdraft fee. That means that you did what? What's an overdraft fee?
You're spending or spent more money than your account has. You're charged $30.
So you're going to subtract $30 from your account. You see a pair of jeans at the mall. It's $109.92. Now, with your updated statement, can you afford this purchase?
What does afford mean? Afford means do you have enough money to buy the jeans? If you have $120 in your account, you can afford the jeans. If you have $98 in your account, you cannot afford the jeans.
Otherwise, you may have to incur an overdraft fee. Final example on this part of our note sheet. Your account statement arrives. You have a balance of negative $52.79. After the $307.74 deposit from Ronald's bookstore, what is your new account balance?
So you're negative, but you add in $307.74. $307.74 minus $52.79, you're left with $254.95. There's one other way to do this.
We still get the same answer if we do the problem in the order in which the numbers appear.
You have negative $52.79. You got to remember the negative. And you add, because it's a deposit, $307.74. When you take the negative, add it to the positive, it works the same way. Remember, we brought this whole piece over, not only the 52, but the negative along with it.
We still end up with 254.95.
Today, your mission is to get into IXL. Don't freak out that it says 7th grade. We want to pinpoint what we're working on and not give you things that you don't need right now.
We're going to be looking at consumer math. That's 7th grade M1. You're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing with word problems.
Here's an example. At a local gallery, my friend Kat decided to sell a painting for $980 and a sculpture for $833 to Ms. Hoffman. What is the total amount of money Kat made? What would you do in this problem? Because we're finding the total, we are going to add, because it's Kat that's getting the money, not Ms. Hoffman that's spending the money. Last year, Sam donated $30 to a big university and $40 to a local hospital. How much did Sam donate? Again, we're putting in all. So in all again means we're putting everything together. He's donating, but we're not subtracting it from our account. We're just totaling it. So again, we're going to add.
The Benson family needs a new refrigerator. A new one's priced at $380, or there's a used one for $279. How much does the new refrigerator cost than the used one?
You're finding the difference. Remember, difference means to subtract.
Sorry I'm going so fast, but I'm renting this suit by the minute. I gotta get through this so I can return it. It was not in my initial budget.
Last question. How much does it cost to buy 6 balls of red yarn that cost 79 cents a piece? I haven't done this operation today. You have 6 balls, each cost 79 cents. We could add 79 6 times, but the quicker way is to multiply 6 times 0.79. Good luck. Remember, this is IXL Consumer Math. Be financially smart. Have a great day.